If you're looking for Pallets dogs beds, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Pallets dogs beds. Number 1, by Good88. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Pet Dreams. Number 3, by Aspen Pet. For more details about these dogs beds products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Petcaree. Number 5, by Getza. Find these Pallets dogs beds at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Good88. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Angel Wing. Number 9, by Cornerbiz Pet. Discover more Pallets dogs beds ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.